Welcome to Internet Advancement for Boy Scouts of America. For this tutorial, we are focusing on how to log activities. Although anyone can use Internet Advancement, if you are a Unit Key 3 Advancement Chair or Key 3 Delegate, you have the ability to create activities that participants can be assigned to, ensuring quick, seamless tracking of participation and ensuring accuracy. The roster screen loads when you first log in. If you are in more than one unit, your default unit will be shown. To switch between units or to view just your personal youth as a parent or guardian, use the Group Selection drop-down menu. You may also choose to view just youth or youth and adults. On the roster screen, select which members participated in the activity you wish to record. Then select Record Progress. From here, you can select service hours, campout, hike, or long cruise. Choose one of these and a calendar will appear for you to choose the date of the activity. Dates that already have an activity are shown with a light blue box around the date. If you want to add the selected members to an existing activity, select it from the list at the bottom. Otherwise, click on Create New Activity. When creating an activity, you must enter all start information. Please note the other fields are recommended as it will help when reviewing it later. For service hours, under Project Details, the category and collaborative organization feed into the Journey to Excellence program and allows for conservation hours to be reported separately from other service hours in the activity summary report. You may select more than one collaborative organization for each service activity. At the bottom, there are two tabs, Basic and Advanced. Use the Basic tab to enter the number of hours most or all participants worked. Then switch to the Advanced tab if needed to enter unique values. If non-registered people participate, be sure to record how many and the average number of hours per person. To add someone to the service project from this screen, click on the Add Person button. When complete, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on Edit and Finish. If there are no problems, the pop-up will close and display a success message at the top of the screen. Otherwise, a message will indicate where an error needs to be corrected. Similarly, hikes, camping, and long cruises can be recorded. Participants cannot be assigned to an activity in advance of it occurring. However, activities planned for the future can be created by an authorized leader. To do this, go to the Activities page using the menu on the left of the screen and click on the plus sign to create a new event. Parents of a Scout or Scouts themselves can add their attendance to a unit-created activity or create a personalized activity that is not shared with the other unit members. It is important to remember that activities created by Unit Key 3, Advancement Chair, or Key 3 Delegate are available for everyone in the unit to view and join. When an authorized leader creates or edits an activity, the entry is automatically approved. An entry made by anyone else will appear on the pending items list for leadership approval. Leadership can view pending entries by selecting pending items from the roster screen and choosing which to approve. That's all for now. Remember, there is so much more to Internet Advancement, so take your time to look around and learn about this powerful resource that Boy Scouts of America has made available for all registered units. Thank you for doing your best and being prepared to help Scouts continue to advance today and into the future.